welcome to Not a Perfect Channel. This Dollar Tree haul for the week ad starting November 11th. Week ad. They have pop on sale 3 for $10. Got the Canada, A&W, and Dr. Pepper. And for the Kellogg cereal, they have 3 for $6. I got there's Raisin Bran. And then they got that vegetable oil. And the butter is going to be $2.95 for the week ad of starting November 11th. And the Carnation milks will be $1. I paid $1, and so will the pineapple. Some of the stuff. I used 5 off the 25 coupon. So for the pop, it was $3 for $10, and I paid $8.32. For the cereal, it was 3 for $6, paid $5.01. For the butter was $2.95. I got 3. It was $8.85. Paid $7.38 for 3. Carnation milks, $1 each. So $2. Paid $1.68. And for the vegetable oil, it's $1.75. But if you clip the 75-cent coupon, you'll get it for $1, but I forgot to clip that, so I paid $1.46. And here's my receipt. Subtotal $24.60. Savings $12.60. Thank you for watching this video.